Grand Strand Health presents Live Healthy.
So helmets are extremely effective to prevent TBIs in kids. In fact, about 90% of all injuries can be prevented through proper helmet use. So kids, children, adults too, should use helmets for any kind of bicycling, skateboarding, rollerblading, ATV use, and all contact sports after age 1, because prior to age 1, the muscles of the neck and head are not capable of handling helmet use. So any age after 1. Thousands and thousands of kids are seen in the emergency room every year for impacts on their head. There are several degrees of injury, starting with a mild traumatic brain injury all the way up to severe. So in the mild case, a child could recover in about a month's time. It might affect their cognitive, emotional, and participation in school or sports. As its traumatic brain injury becomes more severe, the child could be impacted for life. So if you're ever in doubt about whether you should use a helmet or not, the chances are it's probably a good idea to protect the developmental growth of your child's brain, because without it, long-term effects can happen. A helmet is always best practice to protect your child.
Live Healthy is sponsored by Grand Strand Health and provided as a service to you and your family.